Alright, I'm Picinotti here at the Windham World Cup. And this is my new bike. I'm competing in for the Red Bull Berm Burners, and I race Cat 2 18 under for downhill. You know, hit up Camp 3, Mike Hummel. Yeah. Racing for Phenom Racing, and this is my new Transition BLT. Has Zonic Outlaw wheels, Z cranks, race face sprocket, and chain, and then Hayes brakes, Manitou forks, race face bars, and straight line stem. I love it. It's one of my favorite. I like it a lot. It's a good bike. I think it'll be good to compete for this Red Bull Berm Burners. It was odd at first, but after a third time around, I got used to it. And I had no brakes at the time, but don't need to use those. 7 Springs, Wisp, Snowshoe. Those are like where I usually ride, and I'm here for the World Cup and Eastern States Cup. That's what I'm racing. I've had some okay finishes. Nothing great yet, but hopefully I could get something good this weekend and on the Red Bull Berm Burners, aiming for first there. Well, I raced BMX for 8 or 9 years. I had some good finishes, I had some bad finishes, but it was fun and all. Not on a 20-inch, I can't ride those anymore. Maybe a 26-inch, Yeah, not on a 20 though. I'm Picinotti here at the Red Bull Berm Burners and World Cup and at sugarcane.com. Back to you, Billy.